You fucking wee scruffy bastard. You're not even sure about the miserable. You miserable, rotten, dirty hair. You fucking miserable wee bastard. Look, you can't even fly. That's the worst attempt of flying once I ever seen. I looked at the Black Widow catapult, I put a ball burning you bastard. Useless. You're good for fuck all. Boards. Boards. Hi. Hi. Scruffy. Hi, Scruffy. You're good for fuck all. Hi. Unless you're a port, you're good for fuck all, you useless bastard. At least a port can talk. You can do fuck all. Only you hate you fly. You're flying in there on your flapping your wings. You can do fuck all, you useless bastard. Useless cunt of a board. Nothing trying to fly. I'm not even flying. Just hanging about. Just hanging about. You quicksilver-headed bastard. Useless fucking board. Worst I ever seen in my life. Unless you're a port, they're good for fuck all. You scrubby wee conscious. Flying about looking food. Flying about looking food, you scrubby bastard. Go in there it is, work, you useless bastard.
Holy fuck.
I love my cat, Auntie. I don't even have a cat, to see if I did have a cat. Hi. I don't even have a cat, to see if I do. I let it out to you, you fucking useless cunt on board. Flying about there, you can't even fly. Fucking hanging around as if you're a big board. Hi. You're the useless board I ever seen. Useless. Useless fucking board. Oh, you quit showing off, would you? Quit showing off, you useless bastard. Useless fucking board. Hi. I'm going to buy a cat, actually. Just let him at you. Because he'll catch you. Because you're good for it now. I'm going to buy a cat. I'm going to call him Tom. And he will catch you because you're that useless. And some wrong with my cat couldn't catch you. There's nothing couldn't trying to fly about. You're flying into the wind and you can't even fly. That's the worst. Useless fucking boards. Hi, you think you're a port? Or you fucking port? At least a port can talk. Useless fucking boards. Hi, what's you don't fly into him? Because he's not stupid, you probably will fly into him. Rotten looking bastard. Look, you couldn't even trying to fly. You can't even fly. Get the grip of yourself. You're flying around there in circles. What a stupid fucking young bike of a board. Eh? Useless. No, there's a pigeon even overtook you. There's a pigeon flew by you like you're a stop. Fucking young bike of a board, boy. Seagulls. What are you looking at, you bastard? Hovering around there as if you're the real board, like. Hi, you're the worst board ever. You're useless. You're not worth one fuck. You're not worth one fuck. Hi, I am definitely going to buy a cat to catch you, you sneaky bastard. rotten looking bastard. The cat wouldn't even have to talk. Hi, Waker. Lick my balls, you stupid wee seagull cunt. I fly away there. You can't take a bit of grief, you useless bastard. You give a bit of grief, you shit. Why you don't shit all around some man there, you rotten bastard? Because you are the dung boy of the board. Ah, you're all fucked off now. You can't take a bit of grief, you rotten bastard. You give a bit of grief, you shit them. You shit them, you rotten, grey-headed bastard. I would give you a bit of bread, only. Only problem is, I put a bit of bit in the end of her. Hi. We need to get a fishing rod. We need to get a fishing rod. And put it out the window, let the bastards catch it and hook and fly away. And then just reel her in. And then we catch the bastard. Hi, Grey Skull. Grey Skull, you useless wee cunt. Yeah. Hi. You fucking scruffy. I'm definitely going to get a cat to catch you. Rotten wee bastard. I can all slay there, sitting down with chimney. Yeah, because you're sitting down with chimney, you cold. Oh, you're surely. Hi. I like the fire and I'll burn you out of it, you bastard. Fucking rotten cunt. Quit laughing, you cunty, you little cunty. Aye, deadly. You're some cracker, right, you useless bastard. You're a scrubby cunt, hanging around the cities trying to find food. Hanging around the cities trying to find food. Get a grip of yourself, you rotten bastard. Go and work for it, you lazy bastard. Fucking useless wee cunt of a board. You're not even a board. You're an excuse for a board. You're an excuse for a board. Useless cunt. Laughing there. Yeah. Hi. Lick them, you bastard. I left all laughing PJ through the window, aye. Fuck you, you fucking rotten cunt. How long are you trying to fly and you can't even fly? Are you trying to call yourself a board? Hi, you're trying to call yourself a board and you can't even fly. You're doing well. Hi, you're doing well with the cutting you hovering around. I love
Yep,
one night.
he's arguing about words.
Fucking laughing there, bastard.